Hi guys, welcome back to Who's Home. It's the last time I filmed a video was in the summer, and a lot has happened. To be honest, I got a full-time job after summer, and it was really hard for me to balance. So that's why I stopped posting. That's one reason. The second reason was because we were just knocking down. There was a lot of distraction going around, and I felt like there wasn't like so much update to show you. I wanted to consolidate everything together. So, which is the video that you're about to watch. We have done so much with the house. We are now at the point where we're building up. We are done with phase one of knocking down. Not completely done because contractors, right? We were really hoping to have our windows installed this week, but we just got an email from the carpenter guy, and he just lied to us. He said he had ordered the windows much earlier, but from the email we see that he ordered it much later, which actually explains the reason why we're getting our windows on the third week of January and not now. So yeah, we have just had a bit of that. Not the worst, to be honest. It's been okay because we've been doing much of the work ourselves through YouTube, Netflix, Google, finding out different ways, different sustainable materials that are good for the environment, which is gonna be in another video where we'll sit down with Rekve and we'll talk about some of the alternative construction materials that we have chosen for our house. But in today's video, I have piled different clips together for all the work we've done of the past 3 months since I filmed a video for you guys, and I hope you're going to enjoy and catch up. I don't know if it's enjoying or I find it satisfying to watch renovation videos to see the transformation. Right now we've come so far. We are installing the underfloors, and after that we're gonna have the floor. We got our kitchen delivered, which was that's so lovely. Yes, so without further ado, guys, subscribe to my channel and enjoy the video. See you in the next one. I hope to be more consistent because now it's like work is happening more often and it's a lot and it's going now. It's not like those times when it would just stall, and I felt I didn't want to put weird videos here because this is a home account that I want to film our renovation journey and home improvement, inshallah. But yeah, thank you so much for clicking on the video. Please subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye.
It's beautiful. Hello, pleased to meet you. And since the pleasure is mine, I'd like to get to know you. Could you give me a minute or two? Maybe 5, maybe 10, so I can make a good impression. Miss Beautiful Stranger, I'm yet to meet another. Can I have your name and your number? I'll be sure to call you later. Miss Beautiful Stranger, Miss Beautiful Stranger. Your smile when you said hi complimented the sunny and blue sky. Your hand soft to the touch, and the way you're looking at me, oh girl, is way too much. Miss Beautiful Stranger, I'm yet to meet another. Can I have your name and your number? And I'll be sure to call you later. Miss Beautiful Stranger, Miss Beautiful Stranger. Said I'm trying my best to keep it together, but my composure is no match for your classy demeanor. Said I'm trying my best to keep it together, but my composure is no match for your classy demeanor. Miss Beautiful Stranger, I'm yet to meet another. Can I have your name and your number, and I'll be sure to call you later. Miss Beautiful, Miss Beautiful, hey, said I'll be sure to call you Miss Beautiful, Miss Beautiful, Miss Beautiful Stranger.
Woohoo, guys! That's my kitchen. That's our kitchen. I'm just so happy. I can't believe it's happening. It is freaking happening. That's our kitchen.